Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. My name is Josephine Strand and today I'll be taking you to Tulum in Mexico and I'm so excited. It's my first time in Central America and we just woke up. Good morning.
Hello.
So we're just gonna grab something to drink. It was so fun. I was like, when I grab a drink, and he was like, yeah. I also bought some water. So yeah, nice.
Yes, that's me.
It's the main. Okay. Why am I so glossy? Do you see my face? I took one step outside and then I'm already sweaty. Nee? I'm not sweaty. Since he pointed out that I was glossy or sweating, I put on some powder. No, but I was a little glossy actually. I don't know what. I'm not sweating. It's the natural glow.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe sitting on the belt is not a good idea. How do we like our new ride?
It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Beats a BMW.
Yes. What do you think about the thing he said about that we cannot go off-roading with this? I was a little disappointed.
That's pretty outrageous. Yeah.
So the time is
10 to 7.
10. What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The time is 10 to 7. We have landed in Cancun and we are going to Tulum. We just got our rental car and yeah, we haven't had food for many hours, so we're very hungry. So we're gonna try and find somewhere to eat before we get to the hotel. And yeah, that's gonna be interesting because I am vegan and
Are you vegan?
I feel like I said that all the time now, but so that's gonna be interesting and see what vegan options there are here. Do you think there are many?
In Tulum there will be because there's lots of
I think so too.
Yeah.
I am sure that I'll have really good luck with this, but without jinxing this. Oh my god.
Woohoo!
Baby, he said not to drift and not go off-road, and I am worried that you will not listen.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still.
Okay, we are finally here. It took us 2 hours to drive from the airport to Tulum, and we tried to get into the hotel, but we actually got stopped by a bunch of people in military clothes carrying heavy machine guns. So they told us we're in the wrong place, so we thought maybe we can get some food first. Vegan tacos. Now we're talking. Sounds really good. Vegan. No, I'll try the hamburger with a secret recipe.
Yeah, me too, I think.
I like that. So I can feel special.
Can you say that again?
Inte slå mig hela tiden.
For some reason you sound Finnish when you speak Swedish. Inte slå mig. I want to see you perform the song from Eurovision.
I could sing that song.
Yeah, go ahead.
Men inte nu.
Men inte nu. You're mixing accents like me.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to have a certain type of Swedish accent.
No, you're not. No, you're trying to have a
Like-
Finnish accent.
But you try to have a certain type of British accent, though.
No, I don't try to do anything. To be fair, people love Aussie if I am British.
I said that to you.
Ja.
So good.
We're just on this dark road.
Alright, this is not working.
Okay, so right now we are in this dark road in the middle of like a forest, and yeah, there are a
We
lot.
need to go through that gate.
That gate
Yeah,
we just passed.
yeah.
There's a car there though. Maybe, are you sure you don't want to go there and have a look? We can find the entrance anywhere. Yeah, so we're here now, and this is the green area that we've been talking about. So we've been like driving around here. Dave is really pleased right now.
I'm loving this, yeah.
Oh wow, look at this. There are no lights either. Okay, I put the camera down because they were all armed again. But now we're on the right path at least. So this is the official hotel path. Yeah, we saw a snake before when we went hiking. I wonder what kind of snakes they have in Mexico. Is it here?
I think so. I think it's in the left of it.
Wait.
Huh?
We came!
Yes.
We arrived!
Yeah,
Woohoo! Okay, are you ready to go and see?
Yeah.
This is so cool. Room, you cannot even call it room. I don't know what you call this, but we'll show you tomorrow morning when it's bright. I can't wait to show you this, and I can't wait to see what this is gonna look like tomorrow. Okay, but now, good night.
Sleep well.
Sleep well. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today is our first morning in Tulum, and we woke up with this view. It's pretty good. And we're surrounded by this net that I thought was a princess net, but apparently that's a mosquito net, I found out. So, not as romantic as I hoped, but still romantic though. And yeah, right now it's 11 a.m. But that means it is 9 a.m. in Los Angeles, I think. So there's a little tiny time difference. And he woke up at like 7 to go to the beach and have breakfast. And I just spent the morning sleeping, and I did a little workout. And yeah, just had some me time, basically. But now he's back, and I'm starving. So we're gonna go and check out the restaurant, and then also the area, and then yeah, go on a little adventure today. So come along. Why can't you play poker in the jungle?
I don't know. Why can't you play poker in the jungle?
Because there are too many cheetahs.
Yes.
Wait, there are no cheetahs in the jungle.
Just there.
Ja, let's do that. Should we take that one?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah. So.
And with this view. So I ordered a cold brew latte and papacito bowl, which is filled with protein powder and pumpkin or something. I don't know. Can't remember. I'm too hungry. So I went to the restaurant and I was starving, and I looked at their breakfast menu, and then after like a few minutes I decided I was so excited for the pancakes or something, vegan pancakes. And then I ordered, and then they said the breakfast was closed. Then I went to the other restaurant where they have acai bowls, and I was like, yes, I love acai bowls. Then I asked if I could have it to go, because we were on these subbeds and I didn't want to sit out there. And then they said no. I was like, no? But then it was just a miscommunication, because they thought I wanted to have the food and leave without paying. I'm like, no, I'm gonna pay. And then a line started building behind me, and I'm like, can I just order this to go? And they're like, no. I'm like, okay. Yeah, and I could feel how the people behind me were really annoyed. I am not complaining though. This is the life, guys. Yeah, it was just so typical. I feel like this trip I've been so misunderstood. Yesterday a similar thing happened where I was at the airport at LAX and we were in the lounge for a bit, and I realized I forgot my charging cable for the camera. So I was like, oh no, I need to go buy a charger, and I was looking around. So I went to this tech store and I was like, hi, excuse me, could you please help me? I need to buy a charger for my camera. And without like barely looking at me, this woman just like grabbed something. It's like, here you go. I'm like, this is the wrong cable. Sorry, could you? And I showed a picture of the plug, and then she was really rude. And then I was like, okay, I'll leave now. And then I said, thank you for your kind service. And then I walked away. And I feel like I keep upsetting people when I just want help. But now I have to re-manifest that's not true. Everyone loves helping me. Everyone are very patient. Thank you. And this is not a pattern in my life. And also at the airport, another woman got upset because I didn't tell them I was leaving the lounge. They were like, did you just leave 4 minutes ago? And she maybe it was the manager, she was running around. I'm like, yeah. Do I look like a criminal?
And you got stopped in customs to check your bag. Remember?
And I got stopped, yeah, but he was smiling at me the whole time, so I'm sure.
Yeah, until I came over. And then he suddenly let you go.
Yeah, why didn't they check your bag? I mean, you look way more sketchy than me.
That's not true.
Okay, excuse me, but I was just trying to reaffirmate my reality here and do a little paradigm shift.
Carry on.
Can you put this away? Anyway, so from now on, that's in the past, and now the universe will help me and guide me.
Does it say that in your horoscope?
No, I haven't looked. Baby, do you wanna sit down and eat?
But then I'll get the sauce everywhere.
Nej, men, is this a chair? No, this is not. That's a tree. Oh.
Jag kan stanna här.
You just started eating without me.
My food.
What is that?
Enchiladas with mushrooms.
Good. And this is my salad. Okay, so we went in the ocean and it was so warm. And then we had a seaweed fight, which I started.
And I finished.
Look what I got. I got a coconut with a straw. It's so big and heavy. I wonder what it tastes like. It's good.
Taste the coconut.
Yeah, tastes like coconut. Do you know why, baby? Because it is a coconut. So that guy has been yelling at us for a while. Oi, hejdå. Where's the yellow bird? Oh, there. Wow. Wow. That's so pretty. They're everywhere.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Okay, now it is 6:30 and we're getting ready. I am trying to curl my hair, which is interesting because I don't have any mirror, so I'm gonna use this as a mirror. And there's no outlet outside where the mirror is, so I'm just gonna use the camera. Although I need to charge it badly. This is scary. So I can see what I'm doing. A little bit. Let me show you my outfit. Okay. So I like my hair. It turned out really good considering that I did not use a mirror. The thing is though, so I don't have any hairspray. Can we go buy some hairspray? It's so humid and my hair, I realized my hair is damp. So, which is really bad actually. You should never ever curl your hair while it's damp.
I'll remember that.
Because you're literally boiling your hair.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
I am so warm, I think I'm going to die. I feel like I'm Big Ed now from 90 Day Fiancé when he's sweating all the time. I understand him. It's the last time I judged someone from being sweaty. This is so... Now we're back on this road again. And
It's light this time. Though.
not super light, but a little light. And this guy's awake. Okay, it's supposed to be here, but so it's but that guy's wearing warm clothes. I am warm in this little dress. All respect to them wearing full-on uniforms in this heat. Wow. I wonder if they have like a secret fan system, cooling system in there. Water cooling, perhaps. Thank you. Here we go. This looks so nice. Warm brunch. Thank you. Oh wow, so pretty. Look at this. So cute.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo están? How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, pretty. Thank you. Wow. Look, there's a little jacuzzi there. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh my god. This is insane. What do you think, baby? It's so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, it's a pretty decent dinner spot. Wow. Oh my goodness. So this is black baba ganoush. This is cucumber noodles, sourdough.
What was this one?
Ceviche.
Nej.
Jo.
Nej. Red Denzel sack.
Brendenselsack.
Kind of. I don't remember exactly what it is.
With some chips. This looks yummy. What do you think? Was it
So
good?
good.
Yeah.
Really good.
And he was so resistant. He looked at the menu and he was like, he was in such a bad mood. And he was in such a bad mood because he thought he wouldn't like anything. And here he is actually giving it a shot. And all of it is vegan. So he was like, ooh, vegetables. Just kidding. He's vegetarian too. More. Please. More.
Your favourite word, baby. It's a big bite, baby.
Oh, that's... We left the restaurant, we had really good food, and then David hit a tree, and now we're stuck here. Then you enter these like super luxurious restaurants and hotels, and then once you step outside, you're back on the road, in the middle of the jungle. Maybe it's part of the experience. Wait, oh, here we have people standing.
I said on my phone it's going to be 34 tomorrow, I think.
34.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect for walking, hiking in the jungle, babe.
Oh my god. Please, Lord save me. I don't even like walking in the first place.
Yes,
So
you
that's
do.
gonna...
You said you liked hiking though.
If there are refreshments.
We can bring refreshments.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah,
Well,
it's true.
say not to go off road. But you didn't say not to hit a tree, to be fair.
Hit that tree?
I didn't hit it, I grazed past it. Then it moved the whole car.
And I was like, oi, 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 and no, then he hit it.
Yeah. Oi, 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 oi was very helpful.
Well, I am not the one driving. Oi, I can drive next time.
You're not allowed
Yeah.
to drive because you're too young.
What?
Yeah, it's 24 and over for rental cars. Uh-huh.